which is completely different from when we have two equal signs. In this case, we are making a comparison. I just want to know if the operand on the left is equal to the operand on the right. If those are equal, I'm going to get back a true response, and if that's not, then I'm going to get a false response. Besides the equal operand, we also can check if the value is not equal to, or if that's greater than, or less than, or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. Also, we have the strict comparison operators. That works very similar to the comparison, but instead of using double equal signs, I'm going to use triple equal sign. The main idea here is that once I want to try to compare two different operands, JavaScript will try to find some common ground here, and it's just going to compare the value. In this case, if I try to compare 5 and 5, I'm going to get true because they have the same value. And in this other case here, if I try to compare 5 and 5, I also get true because they are still the same value. However, as you know, whenever we type a number inside JavaScript, it's going to be considered a number. But if I include quotes, it doesn't matter if that's single quotes or double quotes, it's going to be considered as a string by JavaScript. But even though here I'm trying to compare the number 5 with the string 5, JavaScript is finding a common ground here saying, well, the value is the same, so I'm going to return true. However, sometimes we need more than that. We need to know not only if the value is equal, but also the type. I need to make sure that the type is still the same. Because if I try to do something with a string, I could have a different result if I try to do something with the number 5. So if I use triple equal sign, in this first case I would receive true because it's still the same value, 5, and still the same type, number. But for this last one, I would receive false because although both of them are 5, they are not the same type. This is a number for JavaScript, and this other one is considered a string by JavaScript.